और पीछे करो क्या? आप यहाँ बैठ के बोलोगे ना तो आप भी थोड़ा सा हो ही जाओगे।
अच्छा।
आदत है ना हमें, और ये फ्री फंड में करवा रही है मुझसे, तो मेरे को इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं आ रहा। हाँ बोल। अगर तुम्हारे इस पॉडकास्ट में मैं गंदी लगी ना तो ये सब माइक वाइक तोड़ दूंगी।
आप क्या कर रहे थे जब आप 23 साल के थे?
मैं तो चिली कर रही थी, अभी भी चिली कर रही हूँ।
घिया है, तोरी नहीं है, चाहिए?
हाँ तो घिया है ना, बस
उनको बोलो वीडियो बन रही है बाय। How does it feel to be on your daughter's podcast, mom?
वेरी गुड, I'm proud of you.
झूठ बोल रहे हो कैमरा पे। My exes, do you have any opinion on them?
थप्पड़ मारूं उनको तो मैं। ये पियो जिया।
पॉडकास्ट पे भी बोल रहे हो। कोई भी ऐसी चीज मेरे को बहुत अनॉय करती है, सोचो।
नहाना सुबह।
Hi guys, welcome to the G Spot where we spill, heal and feel. Whether you're baking, overthinking, healing or just hanging out, you're at the right spot. Today, my special guest is my mom because it only made sense for her to be the first guest on the episode because she brought me into this world, so why not? Plus, I'm getting this done for free from her. So, mom, say hi.
Hello.
You saw me growing up, but unfortunately, all of these people that follow me did not. And they want to know a lot more about me than I can provide. Singular knowledge. So I divide this podcast into a few segments, but the first segment is going to be just some questions about you and me, or just me.
Okay. Let's see.
First, how does it feel to be on your daughter's podcast, mom?
Very good. I'm proud of you.
Are
Very
you
good.
really proud of me?
Yeah.
झूठ बोल रहे हो कैमरा पे?
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है सच में।
Okay, what was I like a child? Be honest, but not too honest.
Naughty.
I was naughty.
Yeah, you were.
I doubt that I was naughty.
Yeah, जिद्दी।
वो तो मैं अभी भी हूँ।
बचपन में तो बहुत अच्छी थी।
अच्छा अब गंदी हो।
अब बदमाश है।
Okay, what's the one thing that I did that made you question your parenting?
Sleeping very late. No routine.
Mother, that's normal.
That's not normal.
That's normal. Everybody's doing that. Okay, when did you realize that I'm officially grown up? Like a moment that made you feel like she's grown up now.
Around 16, 17.
No, but did something happen particularly that?
No, you started getting ready. You started doing makeup, and then I felt कि oh my god, ये तो बड़ी हो गई, क्या हो रहा है ये?
What's your proudest mom moment with me?
अभी I just saw you in a newspaper, and that was recently I felt so proud of you.
That happened 2 days ago.
Yeah. ऐसे तो बहुत होंगी पहले सोचूंगी तो।
वैसे नहीं कैमरा के बिना याद आता एक भी proud moment. The second segment is mom-daughter hot takes. So I'm going to tell you some statements or some words and you give me your take on that. What do you think situationships are? You know what situationships are?
I know, I've just heard recently this word since last 6 months.
What do you think
अपने
it
दोनों बच्चों से सुना है situationship क्या?
I'm not being in a situationship.
You're not. कि situationship में it's like not a proper relationship, but there is a relationship, and I think it's confused generation.
A situationship is basically a relationship without commitment.
Yeah.
So you're not really boyfriend girlfriend, but you talk like your boyfriend girlfriend. But if you want to terminate the relationship at any point, there's no breakup because you're not really in a relationship.
Yeah, because you guys don't want to be committed as in.
So anybody
this-
who's really scared of commitment,
Yeah, they are in
the situationship word is invented by them.
new words for us.
So another one is, are today's 20s really harder than your 20s?
Definitely. We were very simple.
Why?
मतलब I think technology, phone, this is just too much. Privacy. हम तो joint family में बड़ी simple life थी, and ज़्यादा मतलब according to me ज़्यादा मजे आते थे. Maybe you guys think कि तुम्हारा time ज़्यादा better है. But simple life and simple joys of life, it was a very good time.
नहीं हमें नहीं लगता हमारा टाइम बेटर है, हमें सच में लगता है हमारा टाइम खराब है और
हाँ,
ज्यादा
तो I
मुश्किल
think
है आप
there's
लोगों
too
से.
much of competition, pressure
we have
everywhere.
too many external factors, we have too many pressures.
Yeah.
Like I made an episode where I
इतना
talked
stress
about
नहीं होता था कभी भी किसी भी चीज का.
exactly. I talked about an episode that in your 20s now is the amount of stress that you would take in your 30s about building a career, building a business. आपने इतना स्ट्रेस लिया था जब वो 30 साल के थे?
पापा तो लेते थे, पापा तो.
आप क्या कर रहे थे जब आप 23 साल के थे?
मैं तो चिली कर रही थी, अभी भी चिली कर रही हूँ.
So the next one is, should girls in their 20s chill or hustle?
Chill for sure.
So why don't you let me sleep?
No, life is all about hustle. So जब
मुझे
चिल करने का
सोने नहीं
मौका
देते
मिले
बस।
चिल करो.
मुझे सोने नहीं देते बस चिल करने के लिए बोल रहे सबको
Chill is not only sona.
झूठ
Chill
बोल रहे
is
हैं
chilling
चिल
from
करने
here.
नहीं देती
Chilling from here, not sleep.
so you don't think we should hustle in our 20s
No, not at all.
so I'm not going to office tomorrow
Don't go. No one is forcing you to do anything.
okay so another one is thoughts on therapy any thoughts that you have on therapy
No, I think therapy is very good and it is needed sometime or the other in life, maybe for everyone. Whenever you feel low or you feel things are not going your way and you want to talk to someone, everyone feels that हमें सब judge करते हैं. So you want to talk to someone, you feel you don't know the person and वो कोई judgment होएगी नहीं. You just vent it out. Like I went it out with my one or two friend where I know that I can say anything and everything. So it is very, very important for everyone.
good one thoughts on boundaries and this new generation what is your thought on this
I think
new
it's
generation
good, it's right. बट हमारे टाइम में कोई बाउंड्री नहीं होती थी. मतलब कोई प्रिवेसी नहीं होती थी, कोई सेपरेट रूम नहीं होता था इतना. कभी-कभी ठीक है थोड़ा देर मिल गया रूम वो. बट these words are still new to me, but I am trying to be with you guys in this and ठीक है आजकल का टाइम है, मे बी बाउंड्रीज चाहिए होती होंगी तुम लोगों को. हमारी तो लाइफ में अभी भी कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है.
मेरे कमरे में भी लॉक नहीं है गाइस बाय द वे और मैं 6 महीने से लड़ रही हूँ
एंड
इस
आई एम
चीज के लिए
सो थैंकफुल फॉर द थॉट कि मैंने कभी लैच नहीं
वो
लगने
लग
दी.
रहा है
नो
आज
नो
आज लगेगा वो
that
लॉक
was such a good decision of when you asked about parenting, that was such a good decision. I would tell it to everyone, बच्चों को रूम लॉक मत करने दो.
बच्चा रूम लॉक करेगा आज लगेगा रूम लॉक okay so in this next segment I want to talk about things that we disagree on
Okay.
or that we've learned from and mom's phone rings सासू जी
सासू जी. हाँ मम्मी.
in this segment we're going to talk about things that we disagree on or things we've learned from I mean things we disagree on बहुत सारे हैं but हम pretend करेंगे कि नहीं है बहुत सारे
Okay.
the first one is I know me being an influencer was not easy for you initially because you didn't know this lifestyle, you didn't know how we make money from this. This was new for this house, for your friend group, for everybody. Like I'm the only one.
It's still not easy.
But like 5 years ago, I was the only one who did this. And us time influencing was not even a career or something that people respected. It was very new when I started it. And I know that it was not like you were not full on supportive for that. So how was it dealing with it from your side? What was going on in your mind this time?
It wasn't easy because everyone says, you know, influencing, क्यों करना है ये, why everything, putting everything on social media. I still feel it's not right. There should be some boundaries here. And ठीक है, I think it's a generation now because we are hearing it a lot, so maybe we are accepting it.
Yeah.
But initially, it was not easy for us, as in the joint family setup and everything that, you know, your daughter is seen on media so much. But then it's okay now. अभी तो आजकल बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं, so acceptance हो गई है.
आजकल तो फोटो भी आ रही न्यूज़पेपर में
हाँ, न्यूज़पेपर में.
okay so another one is how did it feel when you first got to know I have a boyfriend
Not good at all. I don't want you to have boyfriends. You just
so you don't want me to get married
it's
then
like no. Of course, I want you to get
how will I get
married.
married if I don't have a boyfriend mama
No, but I don't
Arranged
know.
marriage कर लो
When
बस
it comes to your daughter ना, you feel नहीं बच्चा बिल्कुल safe रहे and ये सब भी ना हो,
बट
कुछ
जब
नहीं हो.
पहली बार मैंने आके बताया था I have a boyfriend तो कैसे लगा था Wow.
Insecure कि ये क्या हो रहा है.
और जब जैन ने बताया था पहली बार
तो भी I think for both of my kids, I felt the same way.
okay my fashion sense over the years
Very, very good. Very, very, very good. I love it. I just love it.
that I got from you that I have to give you credit for and I wear most of your clothes anyway so
Yeah.
I have to give you credit for that okay my exes do you have any opinion on them
थप्पड़ मारूं उनको तो मैं.
my decision making skills
They're quite good. You are quite good at it. अच्छा सोचती है, अच्छा करती है.
इतनी तारीफ मेरी सिर्फ पॉडकास्ट पे हो रही है बाय द वे okay my cooking skills
You bake very good and but मैं तेरे को बोलती हूँ कुछ नमकीन चीज बना दे, कोई सब्जी बनाना सीख ले, but वो नहीं.
so funny story I bake a lot
And you
like
don't
a
eat
lot
that.
but nobody here in my house eats sweet whatsoever so like they all force me कि Indian खाना बना ले कुछ कि हम like खा ले, but like I genuinely don't enjoy gas so much that I
But yeah,
enjoy
you made snacks
baking. Yeah,
बीच में
but I
थोड़ा,
made
but it
really
was
good chole.
yeah.
I made chole like
But
last
when we were
week
not here,
because I had Shanti in the house. Nobody was in the house. I had the kitchen. It was yummy.
you made very good aloo paratha
I
also
had
once.
6 foodies.
Mm,
It was very yummy.
Maybe we'll also get to eat someday.
Maybe. My career choices so far.
Initially, नहीं ठीक लग रहा था. अभी ठीक है. You're
Like,
happy.
including like the fact that like I'm choosing to go to the office with dad and that I'm doing this on the side, the podcast. What do you think about
Yeah,
the
this you're doing.
choices?
You're managing well, very well. You're going to office. I'm very happy about it.
I feel like we should do this every day. थोड़ी तो तारीफ होती है रोज. Okay, my hairstyle phases because as everybody on social media knows, I've had blue hair, purple,
Red.
pink, red,
I think light green also.
turquoise.
Yeah.
Short hair. I've had a bob cut. I've had long hair. I've had bangs.
Bangs.
I've had curtain bangs.
Yeah.
So I have probably tried everything at this point, and I'm going brown next year. So
So,
what do you think?
you try a lot, and I've never tried any hairstyle on me, so I like it. I like the fact that you're confident and you try, you do different things. मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. मैं तो I'm
ये-
just
She could cry when I tell her I'm getting my hair colored. She
नहीं, मैं
yelled
सच में
at
रोई
me
थी.
so much.
मैं सच में रोई थी जब तुमने
जब
बाल
मेरे
कटवाए
बाल
थे.
कटे थे, मेरे बाल इतने लंबे थे और मेरे बाल इतने हो गए थे. She cried in the salon. And I was like, "Mama, आप क्या कर रहे हो?" But my hair are long again. My hair has never been this
Now,
long.
but इतने सारे कटवा लिए थे.
बहुत सारे कटवाए थे. इससे ज़्यादा कटवाए थे. Which was your favorite hair color till now?
On you,
Yeah,
deep red
this one, the one I had before this.
before this, yeah.
Okay. So this next segment is, do you really know me well?
Of course.
I will ask you some questions and we will both write the answer. Suppose I say, what's my favorite color?
Okay,
So you have to write my favorite
your
color
pick.
and I also have to write my favorite color. And then we see if it
Then we'll
matches.
see.
Okay. So, what's my comfort food?
Curry.
You don't have to say it. This one's like the most obvious though, because अगर ये मेरे आप किसी friend से भी पूछोगे तो भी उसको पता होगा. But yeah,
ये तो सबको पता होगा.
ये सबको पता होगा actually. What is one habit of mine that annoys you?
Screaming.
बता ही दिया कि मेरा आंसर मैच नहीं हो रहा. I said waking up late because that all this
That when
episode
I
has
come
been
to your
like-
room to wake you up, you were like, Mama!
One thing you do that I definitely got from you.
I do.
बोलना मत.
Dressing up.
Okay, this is matches. I said makeup and fashion.
Dressing up. It's
So
same.
This
It's
works.
same.
Yeah. What's my biggest pet peeve?
Biggest
Pet peeve.
pet peeve ये क्या होता है?
Pet peeve का मतलब होता है something that a person specially finds annoying. I also have to think about this.
नहाना सुबह.
सोचो आएगा.
Sound
कुछ भी लिख दो चलो.
smell. Foul smell.
कुछ भी लिख दो. I never thought about my pet peeve till date, but it's sharing food from my plate or my glass.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
And I realized it
Oh,
today
yes.
because
You-
I realized
it irritates you a lot.
nobody is irritated as much as I am, but like somebody sharing my straw or taking a bite from my plate. आप मेरे को पूरा खाना मांगो, मैं आपको पूरी प्लेट दे दूंगी अपनी. बस मेरी प्लेट से मत लो यार. If I could live anywhere, move anywhere right now,
Okay.
where would I move?
London.
Yeah, I mean this one's obvious, but fine, we'll write it for the heck of it.
Obvious.
London has my heart. I was so happy there. Why did you call me back?
Because we want you here with us.
The last segment for today is the rapid fire segment. So what I do is, आपने मेरा episode देखा है पहला वाला?
हाँ देखा है.
हाँ फिर ठीक है. आपको पता था
कल ही
like
देखा है.
आपने कल देखा मेरा पहला episode?
अरे हाँ वो
6 दिन हो गए मेरा episode आए हुए.
कल देखा है मैंने तो.
मैं क्या Instagram में story डालती रहती हूँ, watch my podcast, मेरे घर वाले नहीं देख रहे. Basically, rapid fire segment. Every episode, I take 10 questions
Yeah.
and I answer them, but very quickly. It's like without thinking, the first thing that comes to your mind. But since you are my guest, today you will be answering those 10 questions.
God.
So you have to be very quick.
Oh shit.
Okay, very quick. Okay,
तो-
the first one is tea or coffee.
Tea. English breakfast tea.
And she's so weird. She doesn't like the just typical Indian chai. Like, घर पे भी she wants that milk
I like English
in
breakfast tea.
a lot of water,
Yeah.
and you like
Very
a little
little
bit
milk
of milk.
and very little sugar.
And
And that's it.
it's like that tea you get in hotels, which I hate. I like the typical
I like
Indian
simple
chai.
English breakfast tea,
मुझे वो
no
अपनी भी चाय
flavor.
पसंद है गैस वाली.
Yeah.
And she hates it. We can never have tea together. Okay, early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
अभी अभी लेक्चर मिला है मुझे इस पॉडकास्ट में लेट सोने के लिए लेट उठने के लिए. Okay, one thing that I do that makes you go, God save me.
When you don't get up till 12 in the morning, that annoys me the most.
मेरी मम्मी की सबसे बड़ी लाइफ की दिक्कत सिर्फ मेरा उठना है.
हाँ, because I know
इसलिए
वो ठीक होते ही सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, because आप ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करते हो,
I will
आप
probably
सीधा
not
लंच
eat.
करते हो.
I will probably not eat breakfast even if I wake up at 7
No,
a.m.
you
in the
will
morning.
for
I
sure. I'm
have
telling you.
morning sickness.
No, okay, you try getting up in the morning and then you'll have breakfast also.
We'll see. But like इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है लोगों की दुनिया में, बट मेरी मम्मी की प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरा बच्चा उठता नहीं है टाइम पे.
Genuinely.
इतने बच्चे इतना कुछ करते हैं, बट व्हाट इज मम्मा's प्रॉब्लम?
तो
Okay.
मेरे को तो ये लगे ना मेरा बच्चा हेल्दीएस्ट
सब
रहे.
कुछ सही मत करो जिंदगी में, फिर मम्मी को ये प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मुड़ते लेट हो. ओके, फेवरेट मेमोरी ऑफ अस?
जब हम वॉलीबॉल कुछ ऐसे नाम था, वी वेंट टू दैट प्लेस जिसमें सारी बॉल्स
इन
थी,
लंदन.
एंड इन लंदन, एंड वी रियली हैड अ वेरी गुड टाइम टुगेदर,
या
बिकॉज ये दो इरिटेटिंग बंदे नहीं थे हमारे साथ. And
मेरे
you should
पैसे
give me money for sitting here and talking
I
to
am
you.
not
You're
giving you any
taking my
money.
1 hour.
I'm not giving you any money. Keep dreaming. One thing you want me to stop doing, except sleeping late, waking up late, and eating junk food.
Stop doing.
Yeah.
Um, Going out late at night and ये और eating.
अब वो तो मैं नहीं बदल सकती, sorry.
और तो सब ठीक है, यही है जो
Your dream holiday.
my dream holiday.
It can also be something that you've done, but it was your dream.
Greece. When I went to Greece, it was like a dream holiday for me, and I loved it, and I want to go
How
again.
old was I when you went to Greece?
I don't remember because we left you home.
But Greece is also my dream destination. But I'm not going there with you.
Yeah,
I will go there with my husband.
Because Papa always told you to go there with your husband. कि
Yeah.
कोई एक दो जगह छोड़ दो.
मेरे मम्मी पापा ने मुझे सारी रोमांटिक जगह तक घुमा दी है, मालदीव्स तक लेके चले
नहीं,
गए.
हमने स्विट्जरलैंड और वो छोड़ा है ग्रीस तुम्हारे लिए.
Switzerland. Funniest story about Switzerland. I have to tell you guys this. We were in Florence and we had rented a car and we were driving around and I was navigating and randomly I fall asleep. And I'm
And
like,
you-
ठीक है, जय कर लेगा navigate, 1 घंटे की बात है.
And you got up.
I woke up in Switzerland. We were in Florence. And I'm like, I wake up, I'm like, हम पहुंच गए थे, like हम Switzerland में हैं. How the hell do these things happen to us? हमारे साथ सब हो चुका है. हम एयरपोर्ट पे गए हैं, वो कह रही है चेक इन के टाइम कि मैम आपकी फ्लाइट अभी हवा में है.
चली गई.
पता नहीं क्या टाइम क्या पढ़ लिया था पापा ने. और एक बार हमारी फ्लाइट गेट से छूट गई.
नहीं, अराइवल टाइम पढ़ लिया था, डिपार्चर पढ़ना था.
या
ना,
अराइवल टाइम एक बार हमारी फ्लाइट गेट से छूट गई. नूडल्स खा रहे हैं बैठ के एयरपोर्ट पे.
अभी टर्की पे.
हाँ,
टर्की
लाइक
में.
2 years ago हम नूडल्स खा रहे हैं बैठ के एयरपोर्ट पे और गेट बंद हो गया.
और हम बोल रहे हैं बहुत टाइम है अभी तो, चलते हैं, आराम से चलते हैं.
क्या क्या होता है हमारे साथ, स्वेयर टू गॉड.
अगर आप कुछ नहीं हो तो भी बड़ा नॉर्मल लगता है.
बहुत होता है वैसे, एयरपोर्ट शेनानिगन्स तो बहुत सारे होते हैं. जब हमारे साथ कुछ नहीं होता तो मुझे लगता है कि हम ट्रिप पे नहीं जा रहे हैं. Like it feels so
नॉर्मल कैसे है.
unsettling
Yeah.
now. Okay, one advice for girls in their 20s.
Listen to your mom, and always listen to your mom, because she's the only one who will advise you always for your good. No self-interest.
That's true. Favorite quality in me?
You're very sensitive, you're very kind, you're very generous, you're a sweetheart.
Tell this to people who don't fight with me, you know. Okay, describe me in one word. Only one.
Prettiest.
Thank you. Okay, this one is very difficult.
Okay.
You will have to think about it a lot.
Oh my God. Load पड़ रहा है मेरे दिमाग पे.
Jay or me?
You.
You're saying this because you're on my podcast.
Yes, and
And
he's
then
not
you-
here. He's
and
not
then you will
here.
go to his room and you will say, Jay, baby, obviously.
नहीं, मैं
Jay."
बोलूंगी जिया ने मुझे ये बोलने को बोला.
Okay, lastly, some few outro questions. What's one thing you hope I always remember when I grow up? Like grow older. Now I can't say grow up.
You remember?
Yeah. What's one thing you hope that I always remember when I'm older in life, when I'm married, when I'm having I have my own family?
So, values and morals जो आपको पापा मम्मा ने समझाए हैं, सिखाए हैं, मुझे लगता है कि वो हमेशा ध्यान देने चाहिए
तो
कि
ध्यान रहेंगे.
बच्चों को. हाँ, I think it's in you already,
Yeah.
and I want you to, always remember where you come from.
One thing you want to say to the listeners about a mom and daughter relationship?
It's a beautiful relationship and but हाँ, बहुत लड़ाई होती है. That's I think
It's a
that's
roller
normal.
coaster.
That's normal. It's a roller
Yeah.
coaster. But time is flying. It's like crazy. अभी और time चाहिए.
It's so funny. Mama tells me about this time when she was thinking that I have to wake up for school for 12 years.
Yeah, nursery में I thought कि अभी तो 14 years ये चलने वाला है. And it flew like this.
Yeah. And I remember इतना मन होता था सुबह उठ के कि मम्मा उठे ना, बस मम्मा का अलार्म ना बजे और स्कूल में जाना पड़े, बट हर बार उठती थी. Okay. So that's a wrap on today's chaos at the G Spot. Thank you for being my guest, my free unpaid guest, Mom. And you survived the mic. I survived the honesty.
Yeah.
So I think that's a good deal.
Your
But
choice of a guest is very good.
yeah, that was it. I'll see you next week, same spot with new tea.